Before the students arrive, you'll need to set up the room. You'll find information about the room layout and shop resources in the teacher's pack. You'll need at least one helper to support you throughout the day. Once the students take their places, one team per table, you'll do some pre-challenge preparation where you'll introduce students to the concept of engineering and to the roles and responsibilities engineers have as part of an engineering project. The students may be asked to complete a mini-task or engineering apprenticeship. All of this is useful as it helps teams begin to work together and take ownership of the day. We often refer to the students as engineers from the start as it helps in this process. Look at the challenge day notes on the presentation, as not all challenges have the same schedule, but most are organised into 3 distinct sections. Firstly, the students will begin to generate ideas to meet challenge brief and then plan the prototype they're going to build. Then, during the longest section of the day, the students will work largely independently to build their prototype. The shop will remain open throughout so that students can decide what to buy using their budget of Faradays. This is the really exciting part of the day where the students turn their ideas into reality. Finally, the students get to present their prototype as a team. These sections mirror the stages engineers go through when working on a project.